funny. So a lot of times we're out measuring windows. The homeowner says, "Oh, these are gonna be all standard size. I'll save some money." The reality is the entire industry is made to order, and so like every window is a custom order. It's almost impossible to order every single window a 3654, because a lot of times we need to get it slightly smaller than your existing framing if it's replacement, and if it's not replacement, we're still guessing. Unless you want me to take off all your interior trim and pull back your drywall, which most people don't want in every single window. So we're taking educated guess, and we are very good at this. A lot of times we're ordering a 35.75 versus a 36, because we need to make sure it fits existing opening, and we don't always know exactly where the exact frame goes to. So 99% of windows are made to order. All the glass is made to order, and so there's really not standard. And listen, a standard size might save you $10. I mean, it's not nothing, but it's also in the grand scheme of things such a small amount. It's better to get the right size to fit the window than versus trying to order, the exact standard size.